Hannah and Chris, as you say I do, just remember to love the whole life through. Remember that today is just a start, just a beginning, a pledge from the heart. A marriage isn't about dresses, aisles and rings, wedding cakes and invites and all those things. It's about giving and taking in equal share. It's a promising start that you'll always be there. When things happen that don't go right, when you're feeling down and is acting the clown, remember this day and why you chose to be here. Then be glad you've got each other year after year.
I've known Chris before Chris met Hannah, and we hit it off straight away. Chris is an all-rounded person. He's a good dad to Lila. It's great to see their bond together. I've always been so proud of Hannah, and I have so many good things to say, but I'll keep it short and just mention a few things. Basically, Hannah succeeds in everything she does. She is strong, willing, caring, always thinking of the family and others.
I want to thank you all for making the journey here today. We thought we'd hire a venue 2.5 hours away from everyone, in the middle of nowhere, thinking we'd keep the numbers down, but backfired. Free bar in it. No, I'm not saying it's the only reason you're here, but it helps. When anyone's asked me the last 10 months, is everything sorted for the wedding, everything all ready? I've just said, yeah, I think we're all sorted, which I know you'd say different. But everything you see here is down to Hannah, like the attention to detail on everything, the baubles, all the decorations, everything she sorted. So thank you for making it the most perfect day, and I love you, little lady. I was never in doubt of how gorgeous you were going to look today. When he walked down the aisle, my breath was taken away. So thank you for making it the most perfect day, and I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you. Thank you.